Glowing embers, sparks at temperatures of several hundred degrees, deafening screeches. Angle grinding makes for quite a spectacular display, but also harbours equally great risks. Finding the perfect clothing for metalwork is therefore first and foremost a question of safety. Vanity should not enter into the equation. What is the perfect protective clothing for angle grinding?
Safety eyewear and hearing protection are now worn as standard when working with metals, even in most amateur workshops. This is positive because noise exposure and flying sparks reaching temperatures up to 850 degrees should not be underestimated. When it comes to clothing, many still turn to the classic blue cotton overall. You can tell just by looking at it that the material is relatively good at withstanding flying sparks. By treating textiles, both the wearer and the clothing itself can be protected against even the hottest sparks. This reliably reduces damage and to some extent prevents visible burn marks on the product. We will now demonstrate how this is achieved. This test is an important tool here at uvex Safety Textiles in Ellerfeld. It helps us develop new materials as well as in the quality control of our final products. Textile samples are clamped and then targeted repeatedly with angle grinder sparks at close range. A direct comparison clearly shows the results. On the left is the uncoated textile sample after it has been subjected to fire testing. The fabric on the right has been treated with the uvex coating. The latter is not damaged and the one spot here can be easily removed. Whether angle grinding, welding or other similar tasks, the coating means uvex clothing remains undamaged for significantly longer. The low wear of uvex's coated textiles, of course, also makes them particularly cost-effective.
Unlike other flame-retardant materials, our coated textiles have a long service life and are easy care, while at the same time being breathable and comfortable.
There are no official test standards and procedures for the dangers of flying sparks, so we developed our own test and process to assess quality. In this way, we are living up to our protecting people claim and demand for maximum product quality. Our customers and end users reap the rewards.
This hopefully answers that question of safety. Other questions relating to personal protective equipment are explored in the linked YouTube playlist. Further information on the topic can be found on Twitter under the hashtag #AQuestionOfSafety.